Play in the leaves, Kenny. Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with a do-yourself video, and this one is to easily rake your leaves and put them out in the front of your house so that the city can collect them. Here we go. All right, it's fall time and I have these humongous trees that have lots of leaves on them, and in the fall it just comes down and spreads all over the grass. And so the easiest way to really collect these leaves is to get yourself a blower or manually rake them into piles, such as I've done. So once you have all the leaves piled up and raked into the tarp, you fold each side over, and then you start rolling it from the bottom, rolling it, and just compressing it while you're rolling it so it compresses the leaves down so it doesn't blow away when you put it up in the front. So now it's rolled up. You put that in a wheelbarrow and easily put it up in the front for the leaf collectors to pick it up.